What's up, everybody? It's Matt at American Mustangs. We got a 1969 Q code Mach 1. That's a factory 428 Cobra Jet, non-ram air. Q codes were, the non-ram airs, our codes were ram airs. It is a factory Mach 1. This car has been hopped up a little bit. Still stock body. Hasn't been hacked on, hasn't been tubbed, anything like that, but it is like a mild street strip car. Finished in royal maroon. Overall, the body's really nice and straight. It's a San Jose built car. That's the second digit of the van's R, fifth digit's Q. This would make a really nice, rowdy little street car. Let's go ahead and pop the trunk. Really clean trunk jams, all original metal. Trunk floor is nice and solid. Like I said, it does have a roll cage. It was an automatic car originally and still an automatic car. That's why you don't see the staggered shock reinforcement plate there. But all the gaps and everything on this car are great because, it's got original metal. Paint's really, it's nice driver paint. Those are original Magnum 500 wheels. It does have underride traction bars. Like I said, somebody was racing the car a little bit, but they didn't hack it up. It hasn't been tubbed, still all factory interior. Let's pop the hood. So you can see it's got some added goodies. Like I said, it's a kind of like a vintage style race car. And the kicker is it's got a 427 Sideoiler block, Cobra Jet heads, and a PI intake. Yep, C7AE intake. So that's a 428 PI. So it's got 428 PI aluminum intake, 428 Cobra Jet heads, 427 Sideoiler block, a C5AEH. This engine bay could be cleaned up. It's running MSD ignition, so electronic ignition, MSD distributor. Super badass car. Let's go to the interior. It's got the original door tag. Interior's, like I said, it's pretty much stock. You got some wear on the door panels. Still has the roll bar in. I was gonna take it out, but now if somebody wants that old nostalgic look, or if you want to just kind of mild race it every now and then, it was a factory AC car. Obviously the AC's not hooked up anymore, but you can see the AC dash, AC vents. It's got a big tack, factory rim blow. Does have this aftermarket shifter. Works fine. It'd be cool with a factory shifter back in it. Original radio. It's got the lighter teak finish, Mach 1 wood grain. Headliner's actually in excellent condition. Factory style seats. All your factory rear panels. It's a non-fold down rear seat car. Like I said, the cage is still in it, but man, it's real super clean door jams. Looks was never and is still not a rusty car. Like I said, San Jose car. Really solid car. Has a killer look to it. Car right now is open headers, and the engine is really built. It's got an electric fuel pump. That thing is awesome. I mean, it pounds the ground. The cam in it is insane. But there you go. It's a 69 Q code factory 428 Cobra Jet. It's got a 427 Sideoiler, 428 Cobra Jet heads, 428 aluminum, single 4 intake, a PI, factory piece. Car's awesome. Like I said, it could be a street car, or you know, you can play around with it at the track and do both. But this thing coming down the street would be awesome. You know, obviously you'd have to put some exhaust on it. I like it open headers because it sounds awesome. But if you're going to be on the street, you definitely have to put some type of muffler on it. But yeah, 428 Cobra Jet. The car is for sale. Hang on, I got the Marti report right here. And that was a cold start. There's your Marti. So, color has been changed. It was original pastel gray, but I think the royal maroon looks really nice. So anyway, there it is. Car is for sale. Call me, 304-731-6497. It's going to be in the upper 40s, which is super reasonable for this car. I've got pictures of the bottom. Super dry car. So, thanks for watching.